In today's world, our phones hold so much important information, but how do you choose a phone that is the most secure? With so many options out there, it can be confusing, but don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best phones for protecting your data and keeping your privacy safe. So stick around because you don't want to miss these. So, first things first, let's talk about the Google Pixel. It's known for getting the latest security updates right away. Another great option is Apple iPhone, which has amazing privacy features and keeps your data safe. If you're looking for an open source option, the Librem 5, the Librem, Librem 5. It's perfect for offering full privacy control. You should also check out the Samsung Galaxy series, which offers strong security with features like Samsung Knox. Lastly, the Fairphone is a sustainable choice that focuses on privacy and security. So these phones are going to keep your personal information safe, give you the peace of mind that you need. So if you're ready to upgrade your phone for better security, let me know which one you're going for. Leave me a like. Love you.